All right, parents, let's talk about something super important today: keeping our homes safe from norovirus. This virus is notorious for causing outbreaks in places like schools, cruise ships, and even our own homes. It's essential to understand how to effectively clean and disinfect to keep our families healthy. You know, that nasty stomach bug that causes vomiting and diarrhea? Yep, that one. It can spread rapidly, especially in close quarters, making it crucial to act quickly and efficiently. So how do we keep this pesky virus at bay? It's not just about cleaning, it's about using the right methods and products to ensure the virus is completely eradicated. Well, the first thing to know is that norovirus is highly contagious and resistant to many cleaning agents, including those alcohol-based hand sanitizers we all love. This means we need to be extra cautious and thorough. When cleaning and disinfecting our homes. Regular cleaning might not be enough. We need to focus on high-touch surfaces and areas where the virus is likely to linger. Number 1. Tip: practice good hygiene. This is the foundation of preventing the spread of norovirus and other illnesses. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially after using the bathroom and before eating or preparing food. Hand washing should last at least 20 seconds to be effective. It's a simple habit, but incredibly effective. Teaching children proper hand washing techniques can also make a big difference in preventing the spread of the virus. Now let's dive into the cleaning part. It's not just about wiping surfaces, it's about using the right disinfectants and techniques. To eliminate norovirus, you'll need a bleach-based cleaning solution. Bleach is one of the few agents that can effectively kill the virus. The CDC recommends 1/3 cup of household bleach per gallon of water or a bleach-based cleaning product. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully to ensure the solution is effective. When you're cleaning up vomit or diarrhea, make sure to wear disposable gloves and dispose of contaminated materials in sealed bags. This prevents the virus from spreading to other areas. Clean and disinfect any surfaces that might have come into contact with the virus. Think toilets, sinks, countertops, doorknobs, and light switches. These are high-touch areas that can harbor the virus. Laundry is another critical area. Contaminated clothing and linens can spread the virus if not handled properly. If clothes, towels, or bedding have been exposed to norovirus, wash them on the hottest water setting and add bleach if it's safe for the fabric. This helps ensure that any virus particles are killed. This helps kill off any lingering virus particles. Make sure to dry items completely, as the heat from the dryer can also help eliminate the virus. Preventing the spread of norovirus also involves avoiding food preparation for others while you're symptomatic and for a few days after recovery. This is crucial to prevent the virus from contaminating food and spreading to others. If you're caring for someone with norovirus, wear gloves and a mask to minimize your risk. This protective gear can help prevent you from contracting the virus while providing care. Remember, preventing norovirus is a shared responsibility. It's not just about individual actions, but also about community awareness and cooperation. By following these guidelines and encouraging others to do the same, we can protect ourselves and our communities from this unpleasant and highly contagious virus. Sharing information and supporting each other can make a significant impact. Stay safe and clean, everyone. A clean home is a happy home, and taking these steps can help ensure the well-being of your loved ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Calwain Health TV for more helpful tips. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable information. Catch you in the next one. Stay healthy and vigilant.